The story begins in 1753 when King George granted land to the foreign Protestants, German-speaking settlers seeking refuge from religious persecution. This diverse group laid the foundation for Lunenburg, creating a town with a unique cultural tapestry. As the settlement thrived, it became a bustling seaport, capitalizing on the rich resources of the Atlantic. The town's shipyards echoed with the construction of iconic vessels, including the legendary Bluenos, a symbol of Canadian maritime prowess. Lunenburg's strategic location made it a hub for trade, connecting the New World to Europe. The distinctive architecture, characterized by colorful buildings and narrow streets, reflects the town's vibrant history. Fast forward to the 20th century, Lunenburg faced economic challenges as the age of sail gave way to modern shipping. However, the resilient community rallied to preserve its heritage. In 1995, Lunenburg earned UNESCO World Heritage status, a testament to its well-preserved 18th century urban plan and cultural significance. The town became a living museum, inviting visitors to step back in time. Today, the waterfront bustles with activity. Fishing vessels bob in the harbor, and the aroma of fresh seafood fills the air. The Bluenos, a faithful replica of the original, proudly graces the seas, keeping alive the maritime legacy. Lunenburg has become a haven for artists, a place where creativity flourishes against the backdrop of historic charm. The town's festivals, like the renowned Lunenburg Folk Harbor Festival, celebrate its cultural heritage. As you wander through the streets, you'll find yourself immersed in the warmth of Lunenburg's hospitality. The local cuisine, the vibrant arts scene, and the welcoming smiles of the residents all contribute to the town's irresistible allure. In every cobblestone, in every weathered facade, Lunenburg whispers tales of resilience, unity, and a seafaring legacy that continues to shape its destiny. And so, the story of Lunenburg unfolds, a captivating journey through time, where the past meets the present on the shores of Nova Scotia's historic coastline.